Welcome at forextrading.com school. Let's take a look at the example of trade concerning the data publication. We are talking about interest rates this time. So let's take a look at 4-hour chart. We are looking at this move right here, this big beautiful move. When the market was ranging before, I was telling in different analysis that we have a range. So it's pretty much smart to wait a while when the price will be breaking out through the upside. The range is more visible, euro dollar range at 30-minute chart. So we are talking about this situation. We can close this in this big rectangle. Let's wait a few moments. So we have this beautiful range. And what do we do with the range? Well, we wait. We wait till the price will break out through the last recent upside. I mean the support resistance for this move, which was here, and the little continuation which we see right here. So the smart move was wait for the publicated data, which were about interest rates, and see what the price will show us, which direction to move. And soon after 2:15 p.m., when the data was publicated, we see this dramatic move to the upside. For the training purposes, we can take a look at the 1 minute chart how exactly the move was made. This is the move right here. This beautiful over 100 pips move was made from this point to the this high point, high level. And so we see at 1 minute chart, we see the end of the this continuation right here. And from my perspective, it was 8:15 p.m. In European time. It was 2:15 at New York time. And look at the exact time. It's 2:15, and the price broke out through the upside. It came back. It just touched the 31.47 level, and it moved up again, and we could buy at this point somewhere here when the price came back and moved up another time. So it was a pretty much good signal that the range will finish this move right here, because we were ranging like couple of days, and the some bigger move can occur. I mean the real break from this move, not the fake break. Of course, the move could be finished somewhere below this level, but when entering position after the breakout, somewhere around here would be a smart move. We would place the stop loss just below this point. We wouldn't even make it below last recent downside, because well, it could be risky, because the volatility could bring this price action to the downside just for a few moments, and our stop would be finished anyway. So I would keep it with just below this line somewhere. It's pretty much tight stop loss. That's what it happens if we do the trade according to publicated data. That's how it works. It has to be tight, because we don't really know if the big players aren't just playing with the market, and the market will turn around to the downside. But fortunately, the big trend with this euro dollar instrument is pretty much higher and higher, growing steady. So we had a bigger much chance to go for the long positions, and to go just with a trend. It's logic, it's reasonable. That's how we do trading on Forex. We keep up with the less recent medium or big trend, how I call it. So this is good example of the breakout when the market was ranging for a while, and it was kind of waiting here for this situation to happen because it was pretty much obvious that some or other time the market will start move directly forward or will be starting some sellout because this range couldn't last. It couldn't last forever, just simple as that. And I was telling you a few days ago that the range, this kind of range, we have to be serious about this because if we're looking at the bigger range, we can um, uh, predict some bigger moves. I mean, more range we see, more dramatic move we can explore in the future. So that's how it works. More comfortable here, more tight here, more dramatic move we see to the upside, most likely with the trend. That's how it happened here. So we could do like over 100 pips in just one trade during a couple of hours. Like here we could wait, split the profit and take another 150 pips from the market. That's how it works. I hope it's useful and reasonable example of the publication data trade, and I hope you will find some more interesting trades examples on our forextrading.com website. Thank you.